So I'm having to use my headlamp, don't got much light back here. This is my whole house filter. You could see that filter, it's a pretty brown, and when they're new they come out pretty white. It's been in here for less than 3 months, and this is city water, not even on a well. You can see how brown that is. It's time to change it before I start to get restriction flows. So I'm going to get about and showing you how to do that. I was going to go on this first thing, and the noise in the background is the water heater going. Here's the main shutoff. Oh, you go the other way. It only goes one way. Ball valve shutoff. That's the main. And thankfully I got a house shutoff, which hopefully you have too. And this SharkBite's been in there for quite a few years when I installed this. Now I have a way, which I have another old filter in here which I changed, which that actually clogged up. It doesn't look that bad. For my RO system and my humidifier. So that depressurizes it right there by turning the tap on. Filter wrench, put that on, give it a slight turn. I'm doing this above the camera so you can see. It's good. I got a little jar there, but if you put a pail or something like that underneath, it helps out to not make a mess like that. Bit of water on the floor. You can see how dirty that is. I'll just put that all in there. And at this stage, if this was real filthy, I'd wipe it out with some clean cloth or something like that. Just grabbing my brand new 5 micron filter. If you want to be super cautious, you can wear gloves when you do this. But I'm just careful. Throw that there. You can use some kind of lube and stick it on the O-ring. Not necessary every time, but you don't want it to deteriorate, and it is what gives you the seal. So I just stuck a little lube on the O-ring. Just tighten this thing up by hand, no wrench. Look how brown that water is. Okay, so I'm going to keep this shut off, which is the house, and open the main. This thing doesn't have a pressure button or anything, so I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to try and spit the air out here. Then I'll slowly open the house, because I got most of the air out right there, as you can hear. There we go. And that's how simple and easy it is to change a whole house filter. And it won't have to be done for about another 3 months, depending on your water usage or how many people you got in your house, maybe sooner, or what micron filter you have on your filter. But that thing looks brand new compared to this thing, which kind of looks like poo. It's I guess a little plumbing tip. I got lots of them. Well, Auto Brewman signing off.